Hello guys, and welcome again to our channel. It's me, AJ Trevor. Okay, and today we'll be talking about variable initialization or variable definition. So what's variable initialization or definition? Variable initialization is actually assigning a value to a variable. Okay, so some previous videos we talk about variable declaration and how to declare a variable, and please, if you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you go back and watch them so you better understand this one. Okay, and so back to what I was saying. Variable initialization is assigning a value to a variable. Okay, you can declare a variable to int this mark. Okay, I've declared a variable known as mark. Okay, but presently the mark variable has no value. Okay, so this is variable declaration. Okay, so after declaring it, if I pass in a value, say 50, okay, this now I declared a variable called mark and I defined it with a value of 50. So this is what we know as variable initialization. Okay, when you declare a variable and you assign it a value. Okay, that's variable initialization or variable definition. It's kind of the same thing, and you may be wondering what's the difference between I just explained sorry the difference between variable initialization and variable definition. Variable initialization and variable declaration. Variable declaration is just creating a variable and assigning it a name. Okay, while for variable initialization, you create a variable and you assign a value to that variable. That's initialization. Okay, so initializing variables, I think we have a thing about, for me, okay, I can still have 3 ways of initializing a variable in C program. Okay, the first way is actually assigning the value immediately you declare the variable, as I just did with int mark equals to 50. Okay, I initialize it immediately after declaring the variable. Okay, and the second way is you can declare the variable, okay, and after down in your code now initialize it the value as such. Okay, I think I should stop using as such. Okay, you declare the variable first, then underneath now you can now initialize it with a variable. Okay, so the first way, you pass in the value immediately after declaration, and the second way you declare it and then after you then initialize it. Okay, so if you're still confused about variable initialization, just look at it as such. Okay, let's say your parents got married and they're excited about having kids, but they don't yet have children. Okay, they say, when I give birth to my first child, I would like to name him, say, Peter. Okay, so actually they have actually declared a variable called Peter, but Peter hasn't gotten any value yet. So when they actually give birth now to a child and passing it and giving that child now to that name Peter, they're actually initializing the variable. Okay, so that's another way you can look at it. Okay, cool. So I've talked of the first way of initializing, the second, and let's look at the third. Okay, I don't really know if this is another way of initializing it. I just see like a third way of initializing a variable. And this way, what you do is the user is the one to initialize the value of the variable. Okay, the user is actually the one to initialize the value of the variable. You can int and mark. Okay, I've declared a variable. Now we allow the user to initialize it by prompting the user to enter a value. Okay, that's how I see it. I don't know if it's another way, but that's how I see it. Okay, so you can say enter mark in computer science. Okay, will actually take the value and now store it in the Mac. Okay, so if you are a bit confused about what I'm doing, I highly recommend you go and watch our previous videos, okay, because I've actually done all of these. So I highly recommend you go and watch them if you are getting lost or confused. So we use a %d since we want to store in an integer value, and %, which is a pointer to which value we want to store it in, the Mac value. Okay, so I think, and okay, let's just try to print now out what is inside this variable. Okay, let's print out the variable Mac, %d Mac. Okay, actually use an inline here to make it all neat. Okay, so if we you get enter your Mac in computer science. So what if we enter say 70? We have 70. Okay, we printed out a Mac. Okay, so you're actually seeing that the user was one who actually initialized this variable. We just declared it. I would ask the user now to assign a value to it. Okay, so the user actually initialized it. We are not the one. So those are the 3 ways I think you initialize variables in C. So the first, initialize it after declaration. The second, you declare it. You declare a variable first, then you now assign it a value after underneath your code. So these are the 3 ways. So these are the 3 ways I think initialize variables in C programming. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm correct, I'm clueless, but for me, that's what I think. You can always go and Google search. Okay, always go and Google search, do other researches, read books, find out more. Okay, so I hope you've learned something today. I hope you've actually learned variable initialization, and don't be confused. Variable initialization and definition, they actually mean the same thing. Either you say you're initializing a variable or you're defining a variable. It's the same thing. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today, and hope you liked the video. I hope you've learned something. Okay, we've actually learned something, and please share with your friends. Okay, share the video, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.